Good morning, dear students. Myself Purushottam Patel. Today, I will explain you exercise 3.2 of Maths for Standard 7. The chapter is data handling. Before going to the exercise, we need to know about some of the words to be used in the exercise. Say, the first one is mean. What do you mean by mean? Mean is the arithmetic mean of number. Suppose you are given some of the numbers 1, 2, 5, 8 and you are told to find out the mean of these numbers very similarly as you used to find out the average of these numbers. So to find out the average we need to take the sum of these numbers and divide by number of numbers. That means average will be 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 8 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. That means it will be 2, 1, 3, 5, 3, 8, 8 and 8, 16 by 4 equal to 4. That means 4 is the average of given these 4 numbers. So I had given one example. So we can write average is the mean also. So we can write mean of 1, 2, 5, 8 is 4. Got the thing? What is mean? Mean means arithmetic mean, that is simply average. Come to the median. Whenever you get the ungrouped data, take care, whatever I am explaining, those are for ungrouped data, not for the group data. You will know about in the higher classes about the group data also. In the standard 7 also, in the sum of the maths, group data has been defined, and I will also explain these things in the another chapter or in the maths of Arish Agarwal. Take your in the NCERT we need to only know the median of ungrouped data. Assume that these are the numbers given, so many numbers are given and we need to find out the median of those numbers. That means we need to find out the middlemost value if you arrange them in ascending or descending order. How? Let us see. Median is, you will get two conditions while finding out the median. One condition, if you consider, let the number of data or n. Consider that number of observations. In the previous example that I had given you for the mean, the number of observations were only 4. We had divided the sum by 4. Here, if we consider that total number to be n, then we may get two conditions. The first condition is when n is odd, and might be odd or even also. When it is odd, then what to do? Then we will find out the median by using the formula. Median equal to 1 by 2 into n plus 1. That is, median is the value of 1 by 2 into n by 2 plus one observation. That is, if you are having seven data, seven numbers are there in example 0, 1, 2, 7, 9, 8, 12. Take care. To find out the median, we need to arrange the data in ascending or descending order that I had explained to you in the previous class, making array. So arrange them in array, thereafter we will find out the median. I have taken here 2 to 4 to 6 plus 1, 7 observations. Simply, if you are told to find out the middlemost observation, you will get 3 numbers are there and 3 numbers are there. Middlemost observation is 7. So it must be, median must be 7. Putting on the formula, you get 1 by 2 into, here n was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 1 observation. And if you go for 1 by 2 into 8, that means after reducing it to the lowest term, we get fourth observation. Of course, the value of fourth observation, that is 7. So you got the median as 7. In this way, we will find out median. Now, if the number of observation is odd, n is odd, but when the n is even, then what to do? You will get some variation in the formula. When n is after the odd, it is even now, and in case of even, the formula will be median equal to the value of 1 by 2 into n by 2th observation. I think I will lamp the space here. Let me take more space. In this case, median equal to 1 by 2 into added value of n by 2th observation plus value of n by 2 plus 1th observation. Close the bracket. The word is observation here. It is not clearly written here. Median equal to 1 by 2 into n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation. That means numbers are even and we need to find out the middlemost value. You will realize that in the middle there are two values. In practically, we will, while solving the sums, we will do it practically. Take out the average of only both two numbers which has been lying in the middle after making array. That means after arranging in ascending or descending order. That is median. And now come to the mode. The mode is simply the data basis having highest frequency. Mode equal to the observation having highest frequency. If you go through the occurrence of the number, that how many times the number has appeared here, you will get some numbers have been repeated several times. The number of repetition of number, that is frequency, how many times the number appeared in the given data, that will be known as the mode. So find out from the list the highest frequency and the value of that data. which data is having the highest frequency, that will be the mode of given data. Now come to the exercise 3.2 now. In the exercise 3.1, look at the first sum. The one number sum. In this book the page number is 68 and in your book page numbers may vary. The sum is the scores in mathematics of 25 students. Actually 15 students are only given here out of 25, and we need to, that is 25 students had appeared but only result of 15 is given here. Sorry, it was exam was or the test was for 25 marks and the students 15 students appeared in the test and their marks are given in the sum. We are asked find the mode and median of the data. Are they same? We need to find out the mode and median of data. Take what are the scores? The scores of 15 students equal to are. The scores of 15 students are scores given are 19, 25, 23, 29, 20, 15, 10, 5, 16, 25, 20, 24, 12 and 20. Let us count up once again. 15 students are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We got the marks of 15 students by making array. We get. What do we get by making array? The lowest one is 5, 9 thereafter find out it is 10, 5 then 9 then 10, after the 10 it's 12, yeah, 12, then 15 is only once there, thereafter it is 16, then we get 19, but look at the 20, how many times 20 did appear here? Once, twice, thrice and 4 times. So take it, 20, 20, 20 and once again 20. After the 20, the next number is 23. Only once. After 23, 24. 24 is also there only once, but the greatest number 25 twice. 25, 25. Count up once again so that you don't miss any of the number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So we got all the 15 marks of all the 15 students. Now find out the middlemost value. Let us find out whether n is even or odd. And 15. Right now we have counted up here as n equal to 15. So what will be the median? Because you are also asked to find the mode and median. So first we need to find out the mode. Let us find the mode first. Let me rub this because only using this array we can solve the sum now. Look at the array. Mode equal to observation with highest frequency. If you go through the arrow, you will observe all the numbers had appeared less than 20 because no one number are visible here. No one number is visible which appeared more than 4 times in the array. So mode will be 20 because it appeared here 4 times. And what's about the median? Median is as and 15 and 15 is odd. So we need to put the formula, that is 1 by 2 n plus 1 observation. See, here n was 15. So in the next line we will calculate it. 1 by 2 into 15 plus 1, 16. 16 by 2 is 8. So 8th observation. We can write here 8th observation and count up the 8th observation. First 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We got 20 as the median. So write up. Equal to 20. And one more question has been asked. Are they same? Yes, they are same. About the mean also we discussed that the arithmetic mean. In this way you can solve the entire exercise. Similar sums you will get and solve the remaining sums yourself. In the next class I will explain you the 3.3 also. Thank you very much.